travel fan, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of Istanbul's absolute gems, the Sultanahmet Mosque, or as you might know it, the Blue Mosque. I mean, just look at this place. Those 6 minarets piercing the sky, those massive domes cascading down like something out of a fairy tale. But trust me, there's so much more to this beauty than meets the eye. Stick with me for the next 15 minutes, because I've got some wild stories, hidden secrets, and a little mystery that'll keep you guessing till the very end. Ready? Let's go. So, first things first, why is it called the Blue Mosque? Well, it's not because the outside is blue. It's actually this gorgeous grayish stone. The magic happens inside. Picture this. You step in and bam! Over 20,000 handmade blue ceramic tiles light up the walls, reflecting the sunlight streaming through 260 windows. It's like walking into an ocean of blue. These tiles, they're from Iznik, a town famous for its ceramics, and back in the 1600s, they were the iPhone of craftsmanship, top-tier stuff. But here's a fun fact. The workers who made them were so overworked that the quality started slipping toward the end. So if you ever visit, squint at some of those tiles, you might catch a few wonky designs. Now let's talk about the guy who built this place, Sultanahmet. He was only 19 when he kicked off this project in 1609. 19! I could barely decide what to eat for breakfast at that age. And this guy's out here building one of the world's most iconic mosques. His goal? To outshine the Hagia Sophia, that massive masterpiece sitting just across the square. And here's where it gets juicy. Some say he was so obsessed with beating it that he accidentally sparked a scandal. See those 6 minarets? Back then, the only mosque with 6 was the Kaaba in Mecca. People freaked out, thinking Ahmed was trying to flex too hard. So, legend has it, he had to send architects to Mecca to add a 7th minaret there, just to calm everyone down. Drama, right? Okay, let's take a breather in this stunning courtyard. It's almost as big as the mosque itself. Perfect spot to soak in the vibes. But while we're here, let me drop a quirky little tidbit. Did you know the Blue Mosque was built on top of an old Byzantine palace? Yep, before this was a mosque, it was part of the Great Palace of Constantinople. Some of the stones you're walking on might have seen emperors and chariot races. And get this, archaeologists think there's still a secret underground tunnel or 2 beneath us, connecting to who knows where. Maybe the Hagia Sophia, maybe a hidden treasure stash. No one's cracked that mystery yet, but I'll keep you posted if they do. Alright, back inside, look up at that massive central dome. It's 43 meters high, like a 14-story building hovering over you. The Ottomans were engineering wizards, balancing it with smaller domes and half-domes, so it wouldn't collapse. But here's something they don't tell you in the guidebooks. Those gorgeous chandeliers hanging down, they used to hold ostrich eggs. Why? Not for decoration. Those eggs were there to keep spiders away. Apparently, spiders hate the smell. Who knew the Blue Mosque doubled as a pest control pioneer? Now over here's the mihrab. That's the niche showing the direction of Mecca, and the minbar, where the imam gives his sermons. They're stunning, carved from marble, but there's a little secret here too. The mihrab's slightly off-center. Some say it's because the mosque wasn't perfectly aligned with Mecca at first, and they had to tweak it. Others think it's symbolic, like a nod to humility. Nothing's perfect, right? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Let's talk about something wild. The Blue Mosque wasn't just a place of worship. It was a full-on community hub. It had a school, a hospital, even a soup kitchen feeding hundreds of people daily. But here's the creepy part. There's a tomb behind the mosque where Sultanahmet Camii is buried. And get this, he died at 27, just 7 years after the mosque was finished from typhus. Some folks whisper he was cursed for building something so grand. Others say he poured his soul into it and left a legacy that's lasted 400 years. What's the truth? Hang tight, because there's one more twist coming. So, here's the big finale, the mystery that'll leave you scratching your head. In the 19th century, a French writer claimed he snuck into a sealed-off part of the mosque and found a hidden room with strange symbols carved into the walls. He swore it was tied to some ancient cult, but no one's ever found that room since. Was he making it up, or is there a secret chamber still waiting to be uncovered? Next time I'm here, I'll bring a flashlight and some courage. Who's with me? And that's the Blue Mosque, guys. Not just a pretty face, but a place packed with stories, secrets, and a little bit of magic. If you're ever in Istanbul, you've got to see it for yourself. Drop a like if you love this deep dive, subscribe for more adventures, and tell me, what's your favorite quirky fact from today? See you in the next one. Safe travels. Bye.